camera. It's ridiculous, and it's a flip screen. God bless you. So I can still see myself in Canon, and I cannot see what it looks like in Samsung Galaxy. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's 1 o'clock. It's late. I just finally vlogged because I forgot to vlog, and me and my husband just saw a car. He called that thing the thing car, Volkswagen, but the name of the car is Volkswagen. The thing.
Probably 50 years old.
50 years old? You said 30.
I don't remember what year it was, but it was in the late 70s, I think.
I forget to show you. With 3 dogs, it's convertible, the thing. The yellow, the thing. Tommy said it can drive in the water. And today's Monday, and my husband is supposedly working for like extra. Oh, what is it?
Road closed. Are you kidding?
Road closed. Road closed. We can't go in there. So what we're gonna do? You can turn here, right?
Not here.
So my sister-in-law is here, and her daughter is leaving later tonight. So later on, guys, we're gonna heading to our house, and it's gonna be later, right, hon?
Yeah.
Later. Where we can't live
much later.
Yeah.
I'll go to the airport.
You are going? I'm waiting for some package anyway. That's why we can't go leave early. So it's okay with me. If I don't have package, I'm probably like rushing Tommy to go.
Yes, you would be.
Huh?
Yes, you would be.
I know. I admit who I am.
Except you turn around and say, "Oh, you're fine. If your package came at noon, you'd be bouncing off the walls by now."
Yeah, I'm waiting some package.
Your package got delivered at 9 o'clock this morning. When are we gonna go?
Let's go. When are we gonna go?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm waiting. That package is really, I'm so excited. It's been ordered since September 3, and because it's pre-ordered, that's why it takes forever to be here. At least it's not October.
Pre-order is when something hasn't been.
Oh, back ordered.
Back ordered.
Back ordered. We can't. It's too many. It's very demand piece. But I know it's kind of noisy because you can hear the background of the car, passing by the house, and the cat is right here playing with me with the knife. This knife is not sharp. I'm gonna just film this video very quick, do unboxing. I got the package. I got a package from Amazon. Yeah, you just keep playing it, right? This knife is not sharp. It's right here. I ordered this September 3. I just received this today, and there you go. It's the Canon. It's the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Yes, I got the camera, and this is the box. So excited to use this. So I got the box, and let's open it. Let's open it. See what's in here. It's the receipt. It's the Canon online photo album. I probably need this to read. Where is the camera? Oh, it's right here. Look. The camera, guys. This is the limited warranty. This is the warranty. If I wanna do a warranty, I would wanna post this. And this is the camera right here. And what's in the box? Nothing. One battery, and there is a a band to put in your hand for safety. And this is a battery charger, which is good. Battery charger. What it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. Oh my god. Here's the back. Oh my god. This is the one here. It's kind of heavy compared to that camera that I'm using right now. And this is a Mark II. So let's see. Here, guys, look. It's very small. It's nicer for vlogging. As you can see, it's very small, guys. It's very cute, but it's kind of heavy. But this is what I like about this one. The quality of this camera, it's ridiculous, and it's a flip screen. God bless you. God bless you. So before that, let me put this on. Hi guys, good evening. I'm in the car with my husband, the good-looking husband in the world. It's already 9:42. It's almost 10 o'clock. We left the house like almost 9 o'clock. Now we're not far from the house. We just stopped by to get some gas. Hey guys, we're here. I changed because my bra whole day been really annoying. Very cold out here. Let me check if my grass are dead. Oh, my bonsai is really growing really big, Han. Look, Han, it's growing really big. Did you notice the difference? Huh?
I thought I came out really quiet. It's gonna be fine. Almost out here. But I guess.
Yeah, no. Close it. Anyway, so why the beeping is still on? Is that beeping still on? But it's still on. I heard beeping.
Where?
Is that beeping on? That beeping, guys, it gives me so much headache. Hi, guys. I don't know how to use this, but I'm gonna keep looking, guys, how to really use this because I don't have any freaking idea. I'm lying down right now, guys, but before I will upload this video, I'm just gonna insert this vlog again. I'm going to shout out to the two kiddos of my friend Gina P, Riley. Hi Riley, and to Reese or Reese or Reese. I'm sorry sis if I pronounce it wrong. Reese or Reese. Hi guys! Thank you guys so much for watching. Salamat sa panonood guys. Riley and Reese or Reese. I don't know how to pronounce it. Hug and kisses from Tita Ann. Bye-bye. I hear your phone keep beeping, Han.
Yeah.
Why is that? Oh my god, never end. Look, the light is very nice. The light over here is very bad. It's not really good, but the camera. Is that the same thing? You should have to shut that off now this time. My husband doesn't want to talk to me, Big Bison. There's a missed call here, Han. Missed call. Because he thought that I'm just ignoring him. Because I have this. Okay. You just dial it, Han. Yeah. I will wait for you upstairs.
Yeah.
Because I need to put something on my lips. Anyway, guys, I am going upstairs. I'm going to end this vlog now, guys. And yeah, so I will see you tomorrow, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna turn the show, and also what else I'm going to watch. I'm gonna do the camera, look for the review and how to change the setting. I'm gonna end this vlog, and hopefully you guys enjoy my vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow. Today is not a really long vlog because it's so busy. It's not busy, but there's things going on. So anyway, guys, good night. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Hi guys, good morning. Hold on guys, I'm going downstairs. I'm wearing sweater because it's freezing down. It's freezing the house. It's freezing. And I woke up like 4 o'clock in the morning, but it's not. It's really nice lighting even here. There's no light. The light is really nice. Okay then. Good morning, honey.
Good, huh? Mary?
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah, it's freezing, huh? Hold on, guys. The birthday thing.
You told us your people.
Huh?
You let us tell them what freezing is to.
Okay, what kind of freezing? It's really freezing, huh?
70 upstairs, 66 downstairs.
That's why it's cold, huh?
Perfect temperature.
For you, and then you're going outside?
Outside is 59.
59? 59?
Right.
Look, it's cold. Let me charge. Hi guys, I am Bucky. Hold on. Oh, my husband's in the phone. Did you remember, guys, the vlogger from Davao, Imafe Rice? She's from Davao, and she been out in YouTube for a long time, and now she's back. And her channel now is, it's dark in here, but there's still lights, guys. Her channel now is the name is Mrs. Bisdak, so she is Mrs. Bisdak in Davao. So anyway, I subscribed because I love watching their vlog before, and she just stopped doing it. I'm happy they're back. If you are watching, Sis Imafi, welcome back, and I subscribe your channel. He's talking on the phone. He called our Sprint phone in the house, in this house, because we get that phone because they have international call, and they have Philippines that I can call to the Philippines for 500 minutes for good for 1 month. And then what happened was, we just found out that every time I call to the Philippines, they charge us extra. So they're scamming us. So he's calling it right now and ask them why. Fireplace is on. It feels so good in here, guys. It feels so good in here right now. My husband's there's a white light. Look at that.
I'm out like hell.
No, we're not.
Yeah, okay.
Camera is right. Look. How white is that? Not too much. It smells security. Oh, how did you do it perfect like that?
It's not perfect because when I transfer it, it comes a little white back on.
No, if you have that background like that, that's transparent.
Yeah, no, it doesn't transfer.
See this. So I changed the white cast thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go upstairs and to film this camera a little bit, short time. Is that okay? Huh? I'm just gonna look the stuff over here, guys, in this room. I'm looking for I'm in the closet. I'm looking for the thing of this camera to do the screen, to protect the screen, guys, because the screen is already fingerprint. So I know I have a lot of that. Where is my thing? Okay. I have of that already, so hold on, guys. I will put you right here. Let's see. Still recording. I'm still doing my face. This bag is. I'm looking also for my passport because I can't find my passport, guys. Oh, this is the screen protector for my iPad. Look, screen protector. I don't need that. And that kind of screen protector is like how do you call that, guys? Like a mirror. I have this zone for the internet that I should bring to every time I go back to the Philippines, but I never really used it. And charger, like a hyper juice. This one here. I don't know if hyper juice. For if it's my phone low bat, anything that is low bat, I can charge it there. It's heavy, but it's really strong. I have that. And what else? It's right here. I don't know. This one right here. I don't know if it'll fit in the screen. This is for a cell phone, but it probably fit. Yeah, it will fit. I can just cut it. Okay. Okay, I'll bring this downstairs and I'm gonna do it. The screen protect the screen. Oh, it's right here. My birth certificate and my passport. Let me see when is expired my passport. Where's my passport? I find it. Let me see when this expired. Because that's my problem. I don't know when this expired. Next year. June 4. So that means I have to go back next year to Manhattan to renew my passport to the Philippine Embassy. I guess that's what I'm going to do. Because number. What is it? The screen? Did it solve the problem?
Sprint has nothing to do with the problem. The problem is Verizon. Sprint.
Oh.
You know what? I can't call them, but I don't know what to do. What do you do with the tower?
Yeah, it's really hard for me to do it. I guess I need a ladder for me to. Yeah, it's kind of really tight. Thank you. It's very dirty, guys. It's right here. It's very dirty. Boobits! Boobits! Boop 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 boots! Boop 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 boots! He's so serious, guys. Doesn't even want to smile, nothing. And yeah. And we're worried about our dogs. Already 11:30 already.
Enough to annoy the piss out of them.
Oh my god, it's 11:30, honey. You don't have breakfast.
Well, if they're hungry enough, they'll annoy them enough, they'll feed them just because.
I clean it with Windex and then water and then water and that's it. Mostly Windex. Windex can really get rid of what is that, the black, whatever black is that in the here. So it's kind of white, guys. If there is light towards my face, it's more white. So I will see you later. I'm not gonna waste the battery of this camera because I have only one, and takes a while to charge the battery. And yeah, so I can use the other camera like that. I can switch because the other camera have 3 batteries, and I can switch if ever I want to take a long video for like I'm doing something. Well, I can't tell the difference of this. I don't know if this the Samsung is focusing on me, but so I don't know what it looks like. But let's go to the dark place. Of course, you can see me clear because of the light over there. I'm not sure about the Samsung. I can see because there's no viewfinder. But let's turn around, and I'm facing no light whatsoever here. No light. So I can still see myself in Canon, and I cannot see what it looks like in Samsung Galaxy. But oh yeah. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope you enjoy this comparing this Canon and the Samsung together. Okay guys, bye.